In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new invoice template in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, customizing your invoices can really help you stand out and effectively communicate with your clients. So let's dive in and get you on your way to creating a more personalized invoicing experience. First things first, you'll need to head over to QuickBooks. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the homepage where you'll see the sign in button. Give that a click. If you haven't already signed in, this is where you'll need to enter your email and password. Make sure that you have these credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your account securely. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, direct your attention to the gear icon, often labeled as the settings menu. This is usually positioned towards the upper right section of your page. Clicking on this icon will reveal various options you can customize within QuickBooks. From the settings menu, you'll want to click on Account and Settings. This section houses a variety of customizable features and preferences, including those related to your invoices. Now, on the left-hand side of the Account and Settings page, you should see a menu. Here, select Sales. This will bring up sales-specific options, allowing you to delve into more detailed invoice settings. Within the Sales section, look for the Messages tab. Click on this to customize the default message that accompanies your invoices when you send them to clients. This feature is quite handy as it allows you to tailor messages for different types of invoices or branding needs. Now it's time to edit your email template. Here you can craft your message subject as well as the body text your clients will see when they receive an invoice from you. Be sure to include your company's voice and any pertinent information that might need to be conveyed to the client. Once you're satisfied with your edits, find the Save button. This is usually located towards the bottom of the page. It's crucial to hit Save to ensure all your changes are recorded and your new invoice templates are ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully created a customized invoice template in QuickBooks Online. With just a few clicks, you can now create invoices that are not only informative but also distinctly yours, enhancing how you communicate with your clients. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.